Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you PS4 how to fix keep cool. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is check your ventilation. If you have poor ventilation system, then that might be the cause of your issue. So in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is keep the console in an open area through which the ventilation system can work properly. And also keep in mind of the cable management as well, and you can also clean the ventilation system with a soft brush on the PS4 console for the proper ventilation airflow. Now the second might be high temperature issues. If you keep your console on a high temperature area, that might be likely the reason for the overheating issue. In order to fix this issue, try keeping your console on a low temperature area and using external cooling fan as well. The next thing is low system storage. If your system storage is running out of storage or you are using external hardware like discs or pen drive etc., that might be also the reason for overheating, as without proper storage space, the games cannot operate smoothly, which forces the console to overheat. So in order to fix this issue, try removing unwanted data like unwanted games or unwanted files that is basically using up your system storage space. And that's basically how to fix keep cool on PS4. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.